2608 Wild Ambrosia, close of escrow walkthrough. I've just gone through the items on the repair request and verified that all of the repairs were made, and I have been very happily surprised that from what I can tell they've been made. So here, this is the sweep. We've asked them to replace it. It's replaced. It looks great. I opened the garage door, and actually it's the fastest opening garage door I've ever seen. It closes at a normal pace for safety reasons, but it was functioning properly, which is fantastic. Now into this room. This handle is new. The toilet flushes properly. Moving on to the windows. This is not broken and it looks brand new. This window, I verified that the latches were working. I'll just show you the rear yard just to show it to you. Sorry, just checking something really quickly on my computer. Okay, so here you can see the refrigerator and dishwasher are still here. The microwave is there as well, which is great. Wanted to show you that the washer and dryer are still here. So I came into this room and made sure the window was functioning properly. It's not broken. That window looked good as well. Okay. This room, not broken windows. It wasn't broken previously either. I'm just showing since there were a number of window items on the repair request. The cabinets look great. Windows are not broken. They were not flagged. And I did verify that this door locks. I'm going to put the camera down so I can show you that it does lock. Pulling on it, it's functioning. The locks are functioning. Okay. Okay, that's the property.